Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FRLF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for a long time. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above the 25-cent mark. With that being said, what I'm not saying is that if the price falls below 25, that the entire chart's broken, the entire chart's ruined, you know, all that stuff. I'm not saying that's what that would imply. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power. Next level of support after 25 cents. Down here at right around the 20-cent mark. So near term wise, 25 and 20 cents. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view. So this definitely assumes you have a broader time horizon on things, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just keep an eye on that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? No questions asked. Again, sure, staying above 25 cents would be awesome, but grand scheme of things viewpoint, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out, party stop today right up there at about 31 cents. So 31 cents, public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, in my opinion, at least, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's just about continuing to build higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations and higher lows, and then just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.